friends, it's Miss Kelly. Today, we're going to read a book about oceans. This week, during your writing, you're going to be writing facts about sea animals. Facts are things that you can prove. So we will be reading you nonfiction texts about animals, sea animals, so you can write your paper. You can see this book is called Oceans. It's by Nadia Higgins. There is no illustrator because Nadia is using pictures so that you can best understand oceans and sea creatures. We also have a table of contents, which is a big clue that this is nonfiction or informational text. Above and below, here's a label, and that's another clue that it's nonfiction. On the surface, waves sparkle and crash. Animals swim below. This is an ocean. Oceans cover most of Earth. The water is salty. It is deep. Now you can see all the dark blue is oceans. This ocean is the Atlantic Ocean, which is the one closest to us. This is probably the ocean you visit if you go. Oceans are full of life. Tiny plants float on top. They need sunlight, just like any other plants. Below, the ocean floor is like land. It can be flat. It can have mountains. It can have caves. Isn't that cool? Seagrass grows there. Small fish eat the grass. So you can see that. Bigger animals eat the fish. Can you tell what animal that is? I bet you know. Sea animals sure can swim. Well, they need to if they're in the ocean, right? Look, a turtle flaps its flippers. And here is the sea turtle's flippers. It doesn't have legs. It needs to swim, not walk, so it has flippers. A shark waves its tail. The shark does not need air. Fish don't need air. It has gills. These are the gills. It gets oxygen from the water. We aren't fish, so we can't breathe in the water. A whale needs air, just like us. Whoosh! It comes up for a breath. Then it sinks back under the waves. Where are the oceans? There are 5 oceans in the world, and they are connected in one continuous body of water. Look, they kind of all run together. Here's the Atlantic Ocean, the one closest to us. On the other side of our country, around California and Oregon and Washington, is the Pacific Ocean. It goes around to where Japan is, and China, and Indonesia, and Australia. On the other side of Australia, India, and Africa is the Indian Ocean. Below that is the Southern Ocean. That's where penguins are. And at the top of the world, near the North Pole, is the Arctic Ocean. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this book. Now remember, what we're doing this week in writing is writing facts about sea animals. So after the teachers read books to you, you are going to have to recall details about the story. Now, when we are reading a text, to recall details, we can go back to the text. So if we went back to the text, to this page, you might remember that a shark has a tail, and it also has gills. Now, another way to help you recall is to ask yourself questions. And like, where do they live? What do they eat? What can they do? These questions will help in your writing. And remember, go back to the text. I'll see you soon. Bye.